Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is filled with tips, tricks, hacks, and anything you could ever need to know about volleyball. So today, I'm gonna bring to you a new year, new giveaway, and this is featured with CROSSNET. So, if you haven't seen CROSSNET before, you're gonna see it today. So CROSSNET was so nice to send me this giant CROSSNET. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna open this baby up and I'm gonna show you some ball control drills you can do with it. With that, let's get right into it. CROSSNET is the world's first 4-square volleyball game. That way you can play with 4 different players and you're in 4 different quadrants of the court. So today I'm going to show you how you can use some of the drills for CROSSNET. It's not like a traditional volleyball game. They have their own game system. But I'm going to add some drills that you can use. Alright, so with the CROSSNET, it's a great way for you to do some ball control drills if you like ball control. And that's something that as a player we need to work on every single day. Because it is 4 squares, you can have 4 players. You and your friends can play each on one side and you have to control the ball. So here's one drill you can do with CROSSNET. Alright, diagonal. If it's just you and one friend, what you can do is bump, set, spike. Bump, set, spike. Now, I'm an advanced player and my fiance is a beginner. So I'm gonna bump, set, spike while he's just gonna pass it back to me. So I'm going to bump, set, spike. Bump, set, spike. So, so we're gonna try that again so you can see what it looks like. So, bump, set, spike. So, as you know, the court boundary is really small. That means that you cannot do anything very far. This is great because when I was playing in high school, we simulated something like this on our normal volleyball net, but now it's really here. So, remember that the court dimensions are really small. That means that you have to be very conscious of how you attack the ball. Bump, set, strike. Oh! Go. It's pretty tough. That's one thing that you can do with the CROSSNET to work on your ball control. And if you have 4 people with you, it makes it so much better because you get better training. You can also work on your short serve. That means that if you're working on your serves, particularly your short serve, this is a great way to work on it. Also your overhand. So even your overhand, one of my favorite drills is going up close to the net and trying to work on your overhand serve. So what I can do is, because I'm so close to the net, work on that form on overhand serving. The other person on the other side can serve back or catch it. And you can't go far. see how that goes. So it works really well. There are so many different drills you can do with the CROSSNET, and if you want me to use the CROSSNET next time to see how I can do more drills, please let me know. I hope that you like this video. Thank you so much for CROSSNET for sponsoring this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Say bye.